High atop the Himalayas, a mysterious phenomenon known as the Spectre of the Silent Summit occurs. When the sun rises or sets, climbers sometimes witness their own shadow cast onto a cloud bank, surrounded by a halo of rainbow light. This optical illusion, called a Brocken spectre, is caused by the sun projecting the climber's shadow onto mist or clouds below. It's a rare sight as it requires specific atmospheric conditions. This natural wonder leaves climbers in awe, feeling as if they're part of a mystical realm. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.